yeah, we are ready for it. I'm sweaty, just want to take a shower. I'm tired as crazy. And in 6 or 7 hours, we heading out to the Chicago and then LA. So we are at California, Los Angeles, and I'm waiting for the car. Currently right across the bank. There is not a lot of stuff going on here. A little bit of the mountains farther in there. See what's gonna happen later on. We're gonna start negotiating. I'm not sure if the owner gonna allow to shoot the video while we're gonna be checking the cars. I think the deal gonna be completed today, and if the car is like in pristine shape, I'll definitely gonna make it today. Anyway, stay tuned, and we'll see you a little later as far as I'm gonna buy the car or I'm gonna rent the rental car, and then we're gonna start discovering some stuff. And yeah, that's kind of first vlog. Before there, I just want to show you my setup, what I got in the backpack. It's only one bag what I'm gonna be carrying with me. So I got a backpack from the Newer, which is pretty cheap one, which is 50 bucks. It's a couple storages here, my cables, pretty much everything is packed like to the top. Mount for work, I think I'm gonna check the different one because that one is pretty heavy one. I'm gonna take something lighter because I like to work with a mount. And a drone and the lenses and a gimbal and a couple of this and a couple of that and a cologne, and pretty much that's it. Get in the jacket because probably gonna go to the mountains, which is gonna be much colder. Other storage, I'm gonna be keeping my camera in there. And the next storage, I got some masks here, my paperwork, then the tags and the laptop eventually is gonna be here. And pretty much that's it. That's all what I'm taking with me. Say this pretty rough and the trip gonna be like awesome. I feel it with my heart. And don't skip it up, just watch it to the end. I'm gonna have plenty of nice footage. It's gonna be vlogs, 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 and vlogs. We're gonna be heading there and we're gonna crush it. Kill it. Anyway, I'll see you. No, what do you mean I'll see you? The other side. So yeah guys, we are here in LA and I purchased my M3 E93. So this is kind of crazy. I went all the way from North Carolina here in LA, purchased the car extremely cheap, extremely cheap. There is no way you're gonna find that kind of price. There is some mysterious problems with that. We're gonna talk about the technical specs and car itself later on. For right now, I wanted to be more concentrated to set it up for the road because I'm planning to take it on a road trip, pretty much 3,000 miles ahead of us. San Francisco, Highway 1 or 101, LA, couple places, Alton Bridge definitely, some hiking, some Colorado trails or whatever it's gonna be, because there is snow in there and I kind of wanted to snowboard this, so we'll see how they're gonna go because I don't have my gears or anything. I know it's not the best idea and car might have some issues and stuff like that, but I still wanted to take it for a road trip, and when, if that's not gonna be right now, so I'm gonna be taking that beauty for a 3,000 miles road trip right after I purchase it. For those videos, just stay tuned, subscribe my channel. I'm gonna be posting pretty much every day. We'll see how it's gonna go with the content. I'm planning to visit lots of places. A lot of people saying don't go to the Hollywood or to the Star Alley, but who knows, might be gonna visit that or not. Car is extremely dirty. It has a bunch of scratches on the body. Interior is so, it's not bad about the condition, but it's super dirty. I'm assuming like 10 days trip or at least a week, because I have something in my mind and we'll go through all of that stuff. But for right now, the first thing on agenda, replacing the oil. Stop by at a dealership, the BMW dealership. We're gonna pick up the filter and an oil, the original one. I'm gonna choose the different shop to replace the oil. Might be a little bit of cleaning while I'm gonna be doing all of that stuff, and we'll get from there. So heading to the AutoZone. You need glasses. Damn, my seating's so low, like compared to the X5. And the interesting thing, there is also like the rear window, since it's like convertible, so you can open the rear windows as well, which is interesting. Oh, but it's not automated. You can lower it with auto, but you cannot put it back on. Yeah. Another downside, it's basically the roof, which is some type of plastic is bouncing in there. Aside that, we kind of good. We're looking strong. The windshield, the first thing, because it's freaking foggy. AC heat works. Multimedia, we don't have any type of messages on it so far, which is another like thumbs up. And overall, I don't know. I mean, beside the car, it looks like shit. Yeah, I mean, everything is perfect. First step, it's glass cleaner, Grill's Garage, and I mean the windows are looks awful here. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean it up real fast. That I will stop by at BMW because AutoZone apparently doesn't have the proper oil, or they does, but it's only a Mobil 1 or Castrol. Oh yeah. $200 worth of oil and a filter, of course. I think $17 per quarter, which is freaking a lot. 9 quarters plus the filter, which is like $30. Damn, this is kind of expensive stuff, but yeah, it is what it is. And now I gotta find a place to change that oil, which is gonna be also another challenge. I'm gonna start calling to everybody and see what they gonna offer me. We are at this spot, and apparently it's a drive-through service, which is, I mean, pretty cool. I guess you don't have to step outside of the car. So yeah, stay here and the guy's gonna do the job. So that's pretty cool, and especially whenever the COVID stuff going on here. Okay guys, done with the oil change. Fresh oil, 10W60, which is great. And there was no metal shavings inside of the engine. Oil was pretty dirty, but because of the owner replaced it like last year, which has been there for a year, he put on like 4,000 miles, and pretty much that's it. Whenever the car get into the normal operating temperature, everything seems to be working just perfectly nice. Engine just really steady. There is no shakings or whatever. At the start, whenever car is still cold, there is a little bit of like, I would say, it's not really showing on idling, but you feel like the engine is pretty rough. So that could be spark plugs or simply the coils. I mean, they also kind of pricey, but it's better than to have the throttle actuator, whatever motor. But if I'm gonna be replacing any of those guys, I definitely gonna swap the gears for the throttle actuator. I mean, it's still like 3,000 miles in front of me, but anyway, it's 6:30 by Western time, and I'm heading back to the housing, which is the hotel, and I'm gonna start editing the video. Nothing crazy today, it's more like technical serious, like we did that, we did this. We were kind of busy, but literally we did not see anything. We test drive the car. And even with that, we didn't really test drive the car. So tomorrow is gonna be a different day, something going on tomorrow. But otherwise, like Hollywood sign and Star Alley, like everybody's saying like don't go there, there's nothing to see. There is like a shit show going on in there because a lot of all kind of people live in there. Hey guys, if you like the video, please put that thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and see for more content like that. So tomorrow we're gonna start heading north, and Highway 1 is #1 priority. I wanted to like make as much footage as possible, the car all over the place, and yeah, it should be awesome. Then San Francisco, and after San Francisco there's gonna be questionable, but probably Los Angeles. I mean Los Angeles. I meant Los Angeles. Oh, dumb. Probably Las Vegas. Vegas, of course, Vegas. So gamble a little, and yeah. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.